Hey, what's up? Tyler with another guitar lesson here. I'm going to show you how to play wrong. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. You're going to want to have your capo on the first fret, and you're going to be in standard tuning. The chords you'll need: A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And F, X, open, 3, 2, 1, 1. And for this version, that's the only chords we'll need: A minor, E minor, F, F, E minor, A. Strumming pattern is just down,